Hi everyone, welcome to Yun Lab. What is a 해체? What is 반말? You don't say 안녕하세요 to a close friend, right? You just say 안녕. This informal casual speech is called 해체 or 반말. 반말 is used between close friends or when talking to someone younger. It shows closeness and intimacy in relationships. Just be careful. It can sound very rude if used in the wrong situation. Don't use 반말 with the strangers, old people, or your boss. Your life won't be easy. If you understand the 해요체, 해체 will be really easy. You can make a 해체 by simply removing 요 from 해요체. It means that you only need to add a, or 해 to the stems. Now let's make a quick table. For verbs and adjectives, just add a, 해 to the stem. And for nouns, add ya or 이야. Declarative sentences. 나 여기 있어. I'm here. 나 여기 있어. 오늘 정말 추워. It's so cold today. 오늘 정말 추워. 이건 까치야. This is magpie. 이건 까치야. 있어. 추워. 까치야. It can be used not only to speak to the listener, but also to oneself. 아, 피곤해. 배고파. Interrogative sentences. 지금 뭐 해? What are you doing now? 지금 뭐 해? 오늘 바빠? Are you busy today? 오늘 바빠? 이건 무슨 과일이야? What fruit is this? 이건 무슨 과일이야? 해? 바빠? 과일이야? 이제 뭐 해? PC방 어때? Imperative sentences. 빨리 와. Come quickly. 빨리 와. 문 닫아. Close the door. 문 닫아. 와. 닫아. 빨리 웃어. 웃고 있어. Negative commands apply only to the verbs. It's very simple. Just add 지마 to the verb stem. For example, 가지마, 하지마, 짖지마. 이거 먹어도 돼? 안 돼, 먹지 마. Propositive sentences. 같이 가. Let's go together. 같이 가. 2시에 만나. Let's meet at 2. 2시에 만나. 가. 만나. 같이 먹어. 싫어. A tip for you. Like 해요체, the ending does not change in the 4 basic sentence types. Only the intonation changes. Let me explain using the verb 놀다. It means to play, to hang out, or to have fun, depending on the context. For example, if you lower the intonation at the end, it becomes a statement. 놀아. And if you raise the intonation, it becomes a question. 노라? If you lower the intonation and speak firmly, it becomes a command. 노라. On the other hand, if you lower the intonation but say it in a softer and more inviting way, it becomes a suggestion. 노라. It may be very confusing, but don't worry, context will clear it up. Let's look at its usage through sentences. 현수는 집에 갔어. 지금은 지민이랑 놀아. 이렇게 계속 공부만 하면 언제 놀아? 엄마 도와줘서 고마워. 이제 동생이랑 놀아. 나 심심해. 같이 놀아. Since the ending has a single form across the four sentence types, it's simple to use. However, especially propositive sentences can often be unclear in meaning. That's why in most cases, propositive sentences use the 해라, 채 ending 자, which you will learn in the next lesson. 나 심심해. 같이 놀자. Tense. Okay, let's check out the tense. Past tense first. Just add 왔어, 왔어, or 했어. 어제 뭐 했어? 그냥 집에 있었어. And for the future tense, add 를 거야 or 을 거야. 내일 뭐 할 거야? 공부할 거야? Yes, no responses. When answering a question, 응 or is used for 네 or 예, and 아니 is used for 아니요. 누구야? 로제야? 응, 로제야. 누구야? RM이야? 아니, 정국이야. Now it's your turn. Leave 반말 sentences in the comments. 다음 시간에 만나요.